Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have three amazing websites for you, and I'm sure you haven't seen these websites before because these all are very useful in your daily life. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first website which I have in my list is photomania.net. Yes, this is an amazing website to give some effect on your photo just with one click, and you will get surprised to see the feature. Simply you have to click on this edit your photo, and then you will be reaching on this page. This is the interface where you have to upload your photo, and on the left side there are so many of options you will be getting here which you can use in this website. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload a photo here and I'm gonna show you how this will work for you. Now I have uploaded this photo here. You can see this one. This is a very simple photo, but if I go to these options here, these all are activated right now. I simply have to select this one, this painting, and I click on this third option, and my photo will automatically get changed into this color. See this? These colors will automatically get changed the moment I click on these options as well. See this? It has been getting changed. And not only this, if you go here on the left side, there are so many of options. The second option is fun, e-card, overlays, and Halloweens. Now if I click on this fun, in the fun you can click on this second option, and there are so many of options you will be getting, and you can make your photo like this. If I click on the third one, and my photo will automatically get set and look like this. See this? It has been automatically get set. If I click any other option, then it will get set like this. See this? And that looks really amazing. You can create photos for your friends, for yourself, or for anyone, and you can also easily create some e-card as well. See this? These kind of cards you can also create with one click. So that is really amazing. And after that you can simply just click on this share photo, and you can share it, or you can able to download this one. So you must try this website. That is really amazing and very useful for everyone. So try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second website, and the second website is also very useful if you are traveling somewhere or you want to spend your spare time. Then this website is for you. So the website name is agami.com. Yes, this is the website wherein you will be getting thousands of games which you can play just by one click, and all the games you can play in the HD forms. Yes, that is really amazing. You don't need to install any application, you don't require anything. Simply you have to select any of the game which you like. Let's suppose if I click on this Pipe Mania, you click on this one and it will get load here, then click on play, and here we go. Now you see this one, these all are the levels which are there, and I can able to play this game in my phone. I don't need to install any application, nothing I don't need to do, but I can able to play this game very easily. There are so many of games you will be getting for different categories, for trending topics as well, and you can select any of the game, and I'm sure you will surely like all the games which are there. I played lots of games in this website. On the left side of the top you can click on these three lines. You can also select the category from here as well, like the puzzle, racing, girls, shooting, multiplayer, action, adventure. Any games you can select from here, and every category have more than 10 or 15 games in it. So instead of installing all the games in your phone, simply come to this website and start playing games. It is very easy, and you will also get a good experience as well to play games. So try this website as well. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the last website, and the last website in my list is stampmail.org. Yes, this is also very useful nowadays, and the moment you open this one, it will be open up like this, and this is the interface of this website. The moment you open it, you will be getting a temporary email in your phone. See this? This is the temporary email which I received in my phone when I opened this website, and I can able to copy it, or I can able to use it anywhere. I can use this website on any of the application, on any website where you don't want to give your personal email address. Then you can use this temporary email, and all your email you will be getting it here. See this on the bottom? This is the inbox right now, wherein you will be receiving all your email or your verification code, anything coming onto this email you will be getting in there. And the best part is you can also refresh or change your email address by clicking on this refresh part, and your email address will also get changed if you don't like this one as well. So nowadays this kind of email address is very required, where you have to log in so many of website or application. Then you can try this email address, which will be very useful for you. So try this email address as well. Link of these three websites I will be putting in the description. Any question related to this, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.